There goes the bird. I think it's a bird or a snake. I'm trying to tame my legs over here. I'm trying to tame my legs and my arms. Do a little bit of workout. Oh, they're coming. Side, let's see. There's white. Hello, sir. I don't even know what to say here. Look, there's a lizard up here. This thing's gonna scare them all. This lizard's gone. I bet you. Now he might stay. He probably doesn't want to get wet. Yeah, there goes a big snail too. Yeah, he's gonna stay. Nope, he's gone. There he goes. I could have beat him if I would have had my shoes off. I'm trying to see my legs over here. He's gone. What a weird moment. Everybody involved. I'm trying to see my legs. There's a guy walking by.